Arlene Briones, and Lindsay Chioco are three of the more recognizable names of Filipino bloggers and vloggers today. A few years ago, I was just a clean housewife. I never thought that this thing would be such a big thing. Hi guys! Okay, my top 5 favorite foundation. And I decided one day, why not upload YouTube videos since I love watching beauty tutorials.
This is my family.
Hi! Saan galing? Saan kayo galing ni Lola? Huh? Saan galing? Dumeda na
Napaka-seryoso.
Seryoso.
Hindi ko alam, tinatanong ko lagi si Jay. Ano itsura? Ano? Masaya ba?
Ready ka na ha, Ju ha? Naku! Ano?
Ganyan lang ang suot niya?
Ganyan na lang. Mag-grab lang ako. Uwi na kami. Kasi nga diba may event ako mamaya. Tapos hindi ba ako nag-upload ng vlog? May mga nagre-reklamo. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye! Alam mo maganda sana to kung nililinis na yung salamin, no? Madumi yung salamin ng elevator.
So creaky.
Every 5 floors, merong garden, something. Ano tawag dyan? Garden, no?
Yeah.
Every 5 floors. 5 nga ba?
Yan.
4. Every 4
Kasi
yata.
5, 10, 6, 13, 1.
On my way na dun sa event, dyan lang yung sa Robinsons, kaya nga buti na lang makakatakas ako saglit.
So, I'm wearing blue na long sleeves, tapos itong skirt, parang hindi ako masyadong nag-OTD, no? I think cotton on to. Forever 21 to. We're here! Daming tao. Sobrang aga ko pala guys. 4 o'clock pa magsa-start. Pero pumunta na daw ako before mag 4 o'clock kasi kapag nagdatingan na daw yung mga fans nila Kathleen, syempre ang dami ng tao, di na ako makakasingit. So anyway, bibili muna ako ng food para ka na Jaya. Hi! Hi! Kain na! Ito yung binili ni Mama.
Matamis na.
Sinusubukan mo si Ju. Tumukas muna ako sa event pero kailangan hindi mawala tong bracelet ko. Kasi ang aga ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam na 3 o'clock. Hindi ko kasi nabasa ulit yung email. Kasi nga, di ba, wala akong connection last kahapon. Wala akong internet. Limited lang. Meron, nakakapag-post ako kaso limited lang. So, ayun. Sabi ko, babalik na lang ako since andyan lang naman. Konting kembot lang naman nasa Robinsons na ako. Ayun. Ay, makita siya, no? Catherine. Di ba Katniel ka?
Yun. Hotball ba yun? Ano hotball na?
Ano ba? Jadwin ka ba? Sorry naman. Sorry. Bye-bye, I'll be back. Yun yung bahay namin. Oh. Dito ka na lang, love. Dito ka na lang. Ako naman ang alis. Babalik na ako doon. Kasi 4 o'clock na.
Music channel in the Philippines. Mix your choice. Yes, thank you for joining me as we cover your mood this afternoon. Today we mark the launch of our celebrity brand ambassadors for Air Optics Color.
Shake mo yung contact lens back gently and feel mo yung lid. Pour sa palm of your hand or use your forefinger to slide lens out from the pack. Take a very close look sa one. If it's shaped like this, with a perfectly round edge, ready to wear na siya. Kung may flare yung edge, baliktad siya. So just flip it. Let go and blink. And kapag tatanggalin mo naman yung contact lens mo, ulitin na lang ang repeat same process lang sa other eye. And now, let me share with you some tips na tinuro ng optometrist.
Hurt you back, just keep your eyes on me. I said no holding back. She said shut up. Yes! So, kumusta naman kayo, Miss Doble Cara and Miss Going to Spain? How are you guys? Kumusta? Thank you.
Text and flash look para pwede na na-review lang kahit through Instagram para may mga tutorial basic kung paano alagaan ng eyes and lifestyle. Yun talaga yung perfect sa akin kasi kailangan breathable.
Kakaduna! Alright! Wow! That was so inspiring, guys, diba? Were you guys inspired, Catherine and Julia? Inspiring ba?
Yes, super inspiring.
Inspiring.
Super guys, marami pa kayo natutunan this afternoon.
Guys, always remember, sobrang importante ng mata natin. So,
And tapos na yung event. That's it. Sayang hindi pwede yung yung camera. So, nasa stage kami kanina, nakakaya. Okay, anyway, we're going home. Uy, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Sayang yung cotton candy ko, naiwan, binigay ko dun sa may guy na nasa stage. Kaso nilapag niya na, akala ko mababalikan ko pa, hindi ko na napalitan, sayang. Ipapasalubong ko pa naman sana kay Jaya, kaso hindi ko na nakuha. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ngayon na yung sa ANC yung interview namin, kaya so hindi ko pa nakita yung pinaka-trailer ba, parang ganon. But ngayon na siya ipapalabas And hindi na natanggal yung makeup ko. Tagal. Sa mata. Ate si Ju! Ang tagal kasi nito Ang tagal magtanggal. Ang ginamit ko, ito. Ito, this one. Ano ba to? Yung makeup remover. This one, hindi siya natatanggal kagad Kaya ginamit ko Biore. Tsaka masakit siya sa eyes. Alam niyo naman ako, kailangan ko yung mabilis. Ay nga, yan guys, nagbilikot na yung anak ko sa labas. Nawala na rin yung yung pamamaga. Baka hapon namamaga pa to. Nawala rin siya. Ayun na. Excited. Binalita lang sa akin ni Say. Sabi niya, tonight na daw yung natin, yung interview. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Parang excited. Mas excited yung anak ko. Oh, yay! Clap your hand, baby. Clap. Clap. Yay!
Trending now. three of the more recognizable names of Filipino bloggers and vloggers today. A few years ago, I was just a clean housewife. I never thought that this thing would be such a big thing. Hi guys! Okay, my top 5 favorite foundation. I decided one day, why not upload YouTube videos since I love watching beauty tutorials and all that. Well, prior to vlogging, I really love taking pictures.
Si Arlene Briones.
That hobby kind of spilled into my daily life. Like, I wanted to take pictures of food, of the places I went to. From there, I got into manila.com, reading covers of all the pores, and lately I've been having problems with my big pores over here. Actually, I wasn't really into makeup when I was young, but when I started watching Michelle Phan, I wanted to work on myself, I wanted to learn makeup, and I wanted to do the same here in the Philippines since no one does makeup tutorials using local makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it on the rest of my face. Inspiring a lot of people, we decided to do another typing session today. I now have hundreds of thousands of followers and subscribers. I feel proud of myself, of course, because I've been doing this for like 6 years, and it's not really a simple thing to do because I do everything myself. I do the makeup, I do the hair, I do the lighting, I do the filming, all of that. So it's really a fulfilling job for me. It feels very nice because you know that a lot of people get to read about the things that you like. I get to travel, try new places for free, and other products also. Now 11:13, and look at my face. Actually, right now it's work for me because I learn from it, but it doesn't really feel like it. I enjoy every moment of it. Being an inspiration to many, they always have to look their best. And taking care of their skin is of utmost importance. As a travel blogger and a wedding photographer, I'm always under the sun. I put on a lot of sunblock, and I make sure that I cleanse my skin in the morning and in the evening. I'm in front of the camera almost daily. People look up to me. Yeah, especially housewives. I have to take care of my body. I have to eat well, hydrate. Of course, I make sure I remove all my makeup thoroughly because a lot of people skip this step and then follow up with cleansing, toning, moisturizing. Of course, you have to put an eye cream and sunscreen. Lindsay, Anne, and Arlene have tried almost all beauty products in the market. But the 7 elite skin whitening actives of Snow Skin Body Lotion and Facial Cream interest them the most. To look for the best whitening lotion or cream, first, you look for the packaging.
Guys, pwede bang ikaw muna. Ngapit na ako.
Butter, meaning it minimizes oxidation to ensure the potency and integrity of the product. Then we also have to look for unique actives that are all natural.
Mom, are you watching this?
Whitening lotion.
Hindi yun nalulod
Hindi
eh.
kami asawa mo nasa TV.
It has higher concentration. So even if it is a little pricier, it delivers results.
Oh, stick. Akala mo galing mag-English.
I think two tones fairer. I love how it makes the skin really soft and smooth. I've been using Snow Skin Whitening Body Lotion and Facial Cream for a few months already. And I love how it just evens out my skin tone. Whenever I have a wedding shoot or I travel, I make sure that it's in my bag and it's very handy. It's just something I can't leave the house without. The Snow Skin Whitening products, and I posted a photo on this on my Instagram after I tried it out because it actually worked. I love how this lotion is not really very sticky on the skin. You know, I'm a woman on the go, so I don't really like having stuff on my skin that would feel sticky or icky throughout the day. And it smells really good on the skin. The Snow Skin Facial Cream is really lightweight. It doesn't really leave on like a white cast on your face like other whitening lotions do. So it's my top choice. Besides the fulfillment of sharing and inspiring their followers, I, Lindsay, and Arlene admit the benefits of working are plentiful.
Taray!
They get to do what they love most.
got a new cat.
Saan galing?
Ha?
Saan galing?
Sa event kanina, kasi I'm the mother of dragons daw. I'm the mother of dragons. Ow!
Okay.
Yung sa event kanina. Mukha pa bang dragon?
Oh, mukhang dragon. Ano ba dapat yan?
Ha?
Ano ba dapat yan?
Ano? Fire and blood. Blood. Ikaw tili ka ng tili. Kung kailan gabi na, saka katili ng tili, ha? Ayan ka na naman. Itong hilig nito magsub-sub sa akin eh. Tapos kung hindi sa akin, kay Ate Joyce. Basta merong boobs. Doon siya. So yun. I'm gonna say goodnight na. Ow! Huwag mong kagatin! Ay! Pag nakita mo yung nipple ko nakakalat, pakipulot na lang. Ito pala yung bigay ng fresh look. No. Air Optics Colors. Ngayon lang ako makakatry nito. Pero yung fresh look na contact lens, lagi ito yung ginagamit ko kasi ito yung pinaka-komportable para sa akin. Kasi yung eyes ko sensitive. Kaya, ayan. Nung teenager ako, lagi ako nagko-contact lens. And fresh look din yung gamit ko noon. Lagi kasi silang may buy one, take one. So, ginagawa namin ni Ate Joyce. Nag-share kaming dalawa. Isang brown, tsaka isang gray. Ayan. Ito pwede ko pang everyday. Ito, this one. Pero 1 month use lang siya. Pero para sa long wear to, yung Air Optics. So anyway, siguro i-include ko siya sa favorites ko if nagustuhan ko siya or what. Pero yung fresh look na contact lens, ito talaga ever since favorite ko. Say goodnight na. Goodnight, guys! Bye! Good night! Bye! Matet. Maganda may lounge chair. Yan sa may balcony. Malawak yung balcony dun eh. Sa unit namin. Hindi pala unit namin. Unit namin.